Hello, welcome back to WinTrader. In this today's video, I'm going to show you the live market of Kotak Bank future chart, and I set the time frame in 5 minutes, that is intraday. And you can see the current market value is 1879.80, that is a real-time market value, 1879.50, and this is our running version 8.1. In this version, you can see this red down arrow, that is a sell signal, and green up arrow is a buy signal. So these are the automatic signals. So whenever software generates a buy or sell signal, the same time there is an alert message will display in your screen. You can see this alert message will display with the sound effect. So before taking any position, you have to always check whether the signal is confirmed or not. For checking the confirmation in our software, there is 2 confirmation indicators are there for checking the confirmation. First confirmation, if it is a sell signal is active, the first and main confirmation on below bar, you can see price in sells on. That is the first and main confirmation. If the sell signal is active, first the confirmation, it will show here like price in sells on. And the second confirmation below the signal, you can see there is a red signal is here, that is a sell signal. On below the signal, you can see there is a one bar is here, that is our confirmation bar. The bar should be in the same color of the signal, means if it is a sell signal, then the bar should be in red color. You have to check only 2 confirmation. First the arrow will come. First you have to wait for the arrow to come. After that you have to check the confirmation. If it is sell signal, the first confirmation on below, you can see price and sells on, that is the first confirmation, and the second confirmation below the arrow, you can see there is a bar is here, the bar should be in red color. Only 2 confirmation. If these 2 confirmations are okay, then you can directly take the position. You can enter with the market value. So once we enter in the market, on below you can see the stop loss is a trailing stop loss, and on left side you can see the target 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 targets. So as per this signal, actually we got a sell letter. You can see on above dashboard, you can see Kotak Bank sell letter 1897, and the time is 9:20, and current profit and loss also you can check it, and the status you can see all target has been achieved. And right now it's continuing with the same trend. So if you want to take a position right now, if you want to take a position, then you have to wait for the re-entry to come. Re-entry means, for example, we already take a position and we exit with our target, and after we exit from the market is continue with the same trend, then also software will continue with the same signal. So in that situation, software gives a re-entry option. Re-entry means the software gives a separate entry point and a separate target. So if you want, then you can re-enter with that level and you can exit with that target. So currently the re-entry is there is no re-entry, it's showing wait only. So software gives a re-entry, then we can re-enter with that level. And you can see for example, if the signals continue from yesterday, you can see yesterday we got on 4th January we got a buy signal, and the 5th January also the same buy signal continued. You can see in this white vertical line, and that is a daybreak line. So if in this situation also you can enter with the re-entry suggestion. Software gives a re-entry suggestion. That time we can re-enter with that level. Software gives a re-entry suggestion means it's a separate entry and exit level will display there. So you can re-enter with that level and exit with that target. So if the signals continue the market is continue the same trend, then software gives a re-entry. Once the re-entry target achieved, then it will give another re-entry. So likewise you can re-enter in the market. And you can see there are some other different colors candles are displayed here. Normal candles colors are red and green. So for buy is green and for sell is red. You can see some others colors like orange colors, light blue, MD candles and white candles are there. So these are the indication of sideways. Means if the market is going sideways, then automatically software will change the colors of the bar. So it's giving an indication that is going sideways. And you can see there's red stars, and on below the blue stars are here. So red stars are the resistor level of the market. Just put your cursor on above that bar. You can see that resistor level, and on below you can see there's a blue stars are here. That is the support level. Just put your cursor in the support level. You can see the support value there. So these are the resistance support level. You can see lastly we got break this support level and it's going down. It's continuing with the same trend, then software gives a re-entry option. And this is our running version 8.1, and soon we will release our new version and new scanner also. So whatever we are charging, just one day payment only. All updations are free for our customers, and we will get a training section also. Training means normal process. Once you are interested to purchase software, after making the payment, our technical will install the software in your system within 10 minutes, maximum within 10 minutes. After that, we will log into your system and we will explain how to set the chart and all things. And after that, now if there is any problem, if you have any doubt, you can directly contact. My name is Ganga, and you can call me on 9061973737. I have WhatsApp in this number also. You can message me. And this is our running scanner 8.1 with 1.2 scanner. And this also we will update with our new version. I think after April or May we will releasing our new version and new scanner. So updations are free for our customer. There is no extra charge. And right now I am giving a live demonstration, and if you want a live demo, then you can contact me to my number 9061973737. You can call me or you can message me. Otherwise, you just log into our website www.wintradersoft.com. Don't forget to check our reviews page, and thank you for watching my video.